binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. Bi is nothing but 2. So if there are two terms, then it is called a binomial. Nomial, in a Greek word, it is nothing but a term. X plus y whole square, it is nothing but x square y power 0, 2xy plus y square x power 0. We discussed a few points in the session 1, but I'll repeat it again in session number 2 so that you will not get any doubts in any of the points. What is the key point number 1? Sum of the powers in every term is equivalent to the power given in the question. Sum of the powers in every term, is equivalent to the power of the binomial, power of the expression given in left hand side. If it is x plus y whole square, 2 plus 0 it is 2, 1 plus 1 it is 2, 0 plus 2 it is also 2. Sum of the powers in every term is equivalent to the power of the expression in the left hand side. Now, second point, the power of the variables will start from 0. Second point is extremely important. Power of the variables will start from 0. Suppose, for example, if I want the number of distinct terms, I want for x plus y power 2. X plus y whole square nothing but x square 2xy y square. I got 3 terms, but as the number of variables increases, finding the number of terms will be difficult. So it is nothing but 2 into x power a into y power b. Sum of the powers in every term should be equivalent to the power of the expression. So a plus b is equivalent to 2. Power of the variables can start from 0. A can start from 0. B can start from 0. Already we discussed in our integral solution class how to find out the integral solutions if the variables are starting from 0. A0, B0. First see this one. Example. You should know integral solutions. Then only you can solve these questions very easily. A plus B equivalent to 4. A greater than or equivalent to 1. B greater than or equivalent to 1. If the variables are starting with 1, then it is nothing but positive integral solutions. How to determine positive integral solution? A plus B equivalent to 4. 4 means there are 4 balls. There are 3 gaps in between them. If there are 3 gaps in between them, if I select any one gap, I will get one solution. If I select this gap, 1 plus 3, it is 4. Or if I select this gap, 2 plus 2, it is 4. Or if I select this gap, 3 plus 1, it is also 4. If 4 balls are kept in a line, there are 3 gaps. In 3 gaps, select any one gap. NC1 is nothing but n. In binomial theorem session 1, we discussed why NC1 is n. 3C1, it is 3. One more question, I will do it. Listen carefully, sir. Write down in the same order. A plus B equivalent to 8. A comma B greater than or equivalent to 1. If the variables are starting from 1, then the concept is very easy. If A plus B equivalent to 8, 8 balls are written in a line. If 8 balls are written, if 2 balls are written, assume that these 2 hands indicate 2 balls. If 2 balls are written, there is 1 gap. If 3 balls are written in a line, there are 2 gaps. If 8 balls are written, there are 7 gaps. Select any one. 7C1 is nothing but 7. 7C1 is nothing but 7. Idea is clear? Now, variables starting with 1, it is easy. But in the question, the variables are starting from 0. So, add 1. Add 1, add 1. These nothing but 2 plus 2, 4. If 4 balls are written in a line, there are 3 gaps. So 3C1 is nothing but 3. That means x plus y whole square. How many terms I got? 3 terms I got. How many terms I got? I got 3 terms. Suppose if the question is x plus y power 8 from basics to advanced level. X plus y power 8. How many distinct terms are present in this expansion? How many distinct terms are present in this expansion? These are nothing but 8CR, x power p, y power q. Variables, sum of the powers should always be equivalent to the power given in the left hand side. And it can start from 0. P is 0, q is 0. Add 1, add 1. Why are we adding 1? We know the approach to solve very easily when the variables are starting with 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 balls are kept in a line. There will be 9C1, which is 9. If 2 variables are there, directly it is k plus 1. If 2 variables are there. But I am not interested in 2 variables. 3 variables, 4 variables and so on. Listen carefully, sir. Because if you do not know this concept, you will not understand how to use multinomial theorem, which I am going to discuss it in the next 10 to 15 minutes of time. I am going to start with the foundations orally. X plus y power 8, it is nothing but 9 terms are there. Third example, write down in the same order. Write down in the same order. Find the number of distinct terms in. Find the number of distinct terms in a plus b plus c power 8. Second question, a plus b plus c plus d power 12. Third question, a1 plus a2 and a10 till a10 power 30. I want the number of distinct terms in this expansion. We started with binomial 2 variables. Now I am starting with 3, 4 and so on up to 10. It is easy. Generic terms is given by 8CR into a power x into b power y into c power z. Sum of the powers should be equivalent to the power in the left hand side. X plus y plus z equivalent to 8. Power can start with 0. X0, Y0, Z0. Add 1. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 means if 11 balls are kept in a line, there will be 10 gaps. For 2 variables, there is 1 cut. For 3 variables, there are 2 cuts. First one answer is 10C2. NC2 is given by n into n minus 1 by 2. 10C2 is nothing but 10 into 9 by 2. Answer is nothing but 45. First one, how many distinct terms are there in this expansion? It is 45. You don't need to do all these. It's a time waster. Now see here. How many variables are there? 3. Power is 8. 3 variables are there. Add the number of variables to the powers. So 8 plus 3, 11. If 11 balls are there in a line, there are 10 gaps, 10C2. How many variables are there? 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 balls are there in a line. There are 15 gaps. If 3 variables are there, I need 2 cuts. If 4 variables are there, I need 3 cuts. I need 3 cuts. A1 plus A2 and so on up to A10 power 30. 30 plus 10, it is 40. If 2 variables are there, there is 1 gap. If 40 variables are there, there are 39. 39 C9. I hope the number of distinct terms concept is clear. How directly you can write 15 C3, 39 C9 and 8 plus 3, 11. 11 means 10 C2. I hope it is clear. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 balls are kept in a line. There are 10 gaps. Out of 10 gaps, I require 2 cuts. 2 cuts. Why it is 2 cuts? For 3 variables. Right? For 4 variables, for 5 variables, for 10 variables, number of distinct terms. I hope the concept is clear to you. I hope the concept is clear to you, right? One student asked me in a, right, sir, can there be any shortcut for this kind of questions? Please write down. Find the number of, please write down, sir. One student asked me in the morning in the doubts forum, sir, this is taking a lot of time. Can you tell a shortcut for it? Find the number of integral solutions for, mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. First, I will tell you a 1-minute solution. Then I will tell you Anil Nair's approach. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z plus w equivalent to 8. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z plus mod w equivalent to 8. First, directly write down, sir. If my students are solving this question, how they should solve the question? Please write down these 3 important key points. Then I will tell you the proof. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to k. The number of integral solutions will be 4 into k. 4 into k. Similarly, mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to k. Answer is nothing but 4 into k square plus 2. Please write down. Next one, if it is mod x plus mod y plus mod z plus mod w equivalent to 8k by 3 into k square plus 2. Please make a note, sir. Please make a note. Otherwise, the calculation, I will tell you the proof also for this. I will tell you the proof for this. 8k by 3 into k square plus 2. First, write down here, sir. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to k. Number of integral solutions will be 4 into k. Number of integral solutions will be 4 into k. If 3 variables are there, mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to k, it is nothing but 4 into k square plus 2. If there are 4 variables are there, mod x plus mod y plus mod z plus mod w equivalent to k, 8k by 3 into k square plus 2. Please write down, sir. Please take a screenshot of this. Extremely important. Then I will give you the proof. Extremely important key point. Write down in your notes. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to k. Number of integral solutions is 4 into k. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to k, it is 4 into k square plus 2. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z plus mod w equivalent to k, it is 8k by 3 into k square plus 2. Then we will discuss the proof why you got 4 into k. Why you got 4 into k square plus 2. So, first one answer is mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Answer is 4 into 8. Number of integral solutions are 32. Second one, mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. Answer is nothing but 4 into 8 square plus 2, which is nothing but 258. Third one also you can substitute it. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z plus mod w is 8 into 8 by 3, 8 square plus 2, 64 plus 2, 66, 22 into 64. Directly you can write it Extremely important key point. Many of the students who are preparing for entrance exams do not know this shortcut. They go by the traditional method. So 4 into k, 4 into k square plus 2. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z plus mod w is 8k by 3 into k square plus 2. I will discuss the proof. Please write down the proof. Proof. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Find the number of integral solutions. Find the number of integral solutions. Find the number of integral solutions. See the solution. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Case 1. Let's make one variable equivalent to 0. Let's make one variable equivalent to 0. Say y equivalent to 0. If y is equivalent to 0, mod x equivalent to 8. Mod x means plus or minus 8 comma minus 8 I will get. Say x equivalent to 0, I will get mod y equivalent to 8. Y is 8 comma minus 8. Total how many cases we got? X is 8 and minus 8. Y is 8 and minus 8. What are that cases? 8 comma 0, minus 8 comma 0, 0 comma 8, 0 comma minus 8. Mod of 8 plus mod of 0, it is 8. Mod of minus 8 plus mod of 0 is 8. Modulus always gives a positive value. Let's make one variable equivalent to 0. Either it can be y equivalent to 0 or x equivalent to 0. Our condition it is. So here 2 cases and here 2 cases. 2 plus 2 it is nothing but 4. I hope the idea is clear. Case 1 is let's make one variable equivalent to 0. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Case 2. You cannot make two variables 0. If x and y are 0, 0 plus 0 I will get 0. Right? None of the variables is 0. None of the variables is 0. See here, sir. If mod x plus mod y equivalent to k, there are 3 cases that will come. No variable 0, no variable 0, one variable 0, 2 variables 0. 2 variables 0, it is not possible because the right hand side is greater than 0. So only 2 cases I will get. None of variables it is 0. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to 8. Modulus always gives a positive value. X plus y equivalent to 8. None of variables it is 0. So both of them are starting from 1. 1 means it is 7c1. This is x. Inside plus, inside minus into 2 cases. Inside plus, inside minus into 2 cases. So it is 4 into 7. It is 4 into 7. I hope it is clear. So the total answer is previous case 4 into 1 plus 4 into 7. This is nothing but 4 into 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8, which is 4 into 8. Here if it is k, I got 8 here. So it is nothing but 4k. Mod x plus mod y, number of integral solutions will be 4k. I hope the proof is clear. I hope the proof is clear. Again, I am explaining you for the second time. Mod x plus mod y equivalent to k. If 2 variables modulus it is k, no variable is 0 or 1 variable is 0 or 2 variables 0. 2 variables 0. It cannot be possible because the right hand side is a positive value. 1 variable 0, that is case 1. No variable 0, that is case 2. Why it is 2 cases I got? Modulus answer came out to be positive. Inside it could be plus, inside it could be minus. 3 plus 5 is 8. Mod of plus or minus 3 is 3. 2 cases. Mod of plus or minus 5 is 8. So 2 into 2 it is 4. 7C1 into 4. I hope these 4 will be constant because it will be plus or minus. Here also it will be plus or minus 7C1 into 4. Answer is 4 into 7. It is 4 into 1. 4 common. So it is 4 into 8. I hope the idea is clear. Please, mod x plus mod y equivalent to 10. How many integral solutions will be there? 4 into 10 is nothing but 40. Total number of integral solutions, it is nothing but 40. Total number of integral solutions, it is nothing but 40. Find the number of integral solutions for mod x minus 2 plus mod y minus 3 equivalent to 10. These nothing but the graph is shifted. The graph is shifted. The graph is shifted, right? If the graph is shifted by 2 and 3 units, whenever the graph is shifted, number of integral points does not change. I am not writing here 2 comma 3, right? It could be plus plus, minus minus, plus minus. Number of integral points, area of the graph does not change. Area of the graph does not change. So answer for this question is also 4 into 10, which is nothing but 40. I hope the idea is clear. If the graph is shifted from origin, when I say mod x plus mod y equivalent to 10, that means the graph is at origin. It is shifted to 2 comma 3. If I shift this pen from one point to another point, the area of this cylindrical size of the pen does not change. Area does not change. Number of integral points does not change. Even if the question is mod x plus mod y less than or equivalent to 3, it is nothing but mod x plus mod y equivalent to 3210. It cannot take any negative value. Modulus always gives a positive value. 3 means 12, 2 means 8, 1 means 4, 0 means 1. Answer is nothing but 25. Answer is nothing but 25. For 2 variables, I hope the concept is clear. Whatever the cases that I am taking for 2 variables, I will do the same thing for 3 variables. 3 variables, please write down. 2 variables, I hope the concept is clear. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. Right? If the equation is of the form mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. What are the cases? Right? All variables 0. All variables 0. This case is not possible. One variable is 0. This case is very much possible. Right? 2 variables 0. Very much possible. None of the variables is 0. None of the variables it is 0. None of the variables 0, it is also possible. This is possible, this is possible, this is possible, this is not possible. I hope it is clear. None of the variables is 0. Then only I got the sum positive. One variable is 0. 2 variables 0. All variables 0 means sum will become 0. But 8 is not 0. But 8 is not 0. 3 cases we have to take. I hope it is clear. Go step by step, you will understand, sir. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. Case 1. Say one variable equivalent to 0. One variable equivalent to 0. Say one variable equivalent to 0. Let x equivalent to 0. Let x equivalent to 0, right? When I say one variable, it is 0. 2 variables are not equivalent to 0. X is 0. Mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. Mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. Modulus always gives a positive. Y plus z equivalent to 8. Y and Z cannot take 0, 1 plus 7, 2 plus 6 and so on up to 7 plus 1. 1 to 7. How many values it can take? 7. I hope it is clear. Or you don't need to do all this. Anyway, I discussed the positive integral solution. You can use that positive integral solutions. You can use that positive integral solution. Now see, yz is not equivalent to 0 means yz greater than or equivalent to 1. 8 balls, there are 7 gaps, 7C1. Y means inside positive, inside negative, into 2. Again, Z means inside positive, inside negative. 7C1 into 2 into 2. Right? Similarly, this is the case 7C1 into 4. It is the case for x equivalent to 0. Similarly, 7C1 into 4. This is the case for y equivalent to 0. 7C1 into 4. It is nothing but z equivalent to 0. x0 or y0 or z0. It is nothing but 7C1 into 4 into 3. 7C1 into 4 into 3. What is the first case? One variable should be equivalent to 0. 12 sevens are, answer is nothing but 84. 12 sevens are, answer is nothing but 84. I hope you are understanding the concept. Case number 2. Case 1, I got 84. Mod x plus mod y plus mod z equivalent to 8. Case number 2. Say two variables equivalent to 0. If two variables, if it is equivalent to 0. If two variables it is equivalent to 0, let xy equivalent to 0. If xy is equivalent to 0, mod z equivalent to 8. If mod z is 8, z can be plus 8 or minus 8. Plus 8 or minus 8. How many cases I got? 2 cases. There are 2 cases when xy is equivalent to 0. Again there are 2 cases when yz equivalent to 0. Again there are 2 cases when z comma x equivalent to 0. 2 variables. So it is nothing but 2 into 3, which is nothing but 6. Which is nothing but 6. I hope the idea is clear. Case number 3. Case number 3. None of the variables is equivalent to 0. If none of the variables is equivalent to 0, x plus y plus z equivalent to 8. X plus y plus z equivalent to 8. 8 means if 8 balls are there, there are 7 gaps, 7C2 into plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. These is nothing but NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2. These is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, 8. These is nothing but 21 into 8, 168. 168. So what will be the answer? Answer is nothing but case 1 it is 84. Case 2 it is 6. Case 3 it is nothing but 168, which is 258, which is nothing but 4 into 8 square plus 2. 4 into 8 square plus 2. How I got these right? So what I will do is, if you add these 84 plus 6 plus 84 plus 6, 90 plus 168. 168. So here you take 4 common and you derive it. Instead of 8, here if it is 8, what is the answer I got? 2 into 3 equivalent to 6 will be common. Here it is 8. Here it is 7C2. Here it is P. It will be P minus 1C2. I hope the idea it is clear. So instead of 8, wherever it is there, substitute P, you will get the answer. Idea clear?